Good morning, students. Today we'll do exercise 5 point remaining questions. Okay, so let's see what is the question. Question number 4. So, the question number 4 was said to you Ram and Nitin bought a radio set 1650, that means 1650. Full stop. Ram paid rupees 1000 and Nitin pays the rest. That means total the cost of the radio is 1650. Out of this 1650, Ram paid how much? Ram paid 1000. Okay, and rest, that means out of 1650, 1000 paid by Ram and rest one will paid by Nitin. Okay, and that this and then find the ratio of the amount Ram paid and the amount Nitin paid. So you have to find out the ratio, what ratio of Ram paid and the Nitin paid. Okay, so before what we will do, so first we will find out how much Nitin paid. So Ram paid already is given there 1000 and Nitin paid, so it will be like that in the solution. So in the solution we will write first here, we will write the cost of the radio. Here we will write first cost of the radio. Okay, so next cost of the radio is this much, and the Ram paid how much? Ram paid, here we will write Ram paid how much money? How much? Ram paid 1000, right? So here we will write what? 1000. Okay, and rest money paid by whom? Nitin. So therefore here we will write Nitin paid rupees how much? Rest of the money, right? So here from this total cost is this much, from this we will subtract this 1000. Okay, then we will get the rest of the money. Okay, so here minus. Okay, so it will be like that 1000. If we subtract 1000 from 1600, then we will get only 600, right? So this much amount paid by Nitin. Okay, so now according to question, find the ratio of the amount Ram paid to the amount Nitin paid. Okay, so here we will write ratio, this line we will write. Okay, here you see, so here we have written here ratio of amount paid to Ram to Nitin. So according to question, amount of Ram paid to the Nitin. So first Ram paid how much? First what have Ram? So we'll write Ram how much paid? 1000. So here you write rupees, ratio given, so first you write this. Okay, 1000, and then ratio given, then the ratio symbol, this one is called ratio symbol. Okay, then what next? Nitin. So Nitin how much paid? 600, right? So here we will write 600. Okay, so now we have to find like that given, right? So here 1000, then first you write 1000 in numerator. Okay, and then this ratio, that means we have to do division, so this denominator will, this 600 will write in denominator. Okay, so if we cut this, and now there is 0 0, if you cut this 0, and then again you have to cut this 0 and this 0. Okay, now here you see there are 10 and there is 6. If you cut this 6 by 3, that means there will be, if you cut this 6 by 2, then there will be 3, and if you cut this one by 2, then there will be 5. So what have 5, and numerator have 5 and denominator have 3, so that means this ratio will be 5:3. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope you understood what is the ratio of the amount of Ram paid to the amount of Nitin paid. Okay, so next question. Now see question number 5. What written? Write two equivalent ratios for each of the following. Okay, so now we have to write equivalent ratios. Okay, so here 3:5 written, so equivalent ratio will be like that. You see, in the solution I will write this one. So there 3:5 written, then you write 3 first. According to question we need to find equivalent solution, right? So here 3:5 written. Okay, so this one we can write like that, 3/5. Okay, we can write like that, right? So now after that, so now we will find the equivalent fraction of this. Okay, and then we will write the ratios. Okay, so then this 3/5 is there, then you write 3/5. Okay, and then here you multiply numerator and denominator by any number. Okay, if you multiply this numerator by 3, and if you then also you have to multiply this denominator also same number. Okay, if I multiply this one by 5, then numerator denominator also we have to find by the, we have to multiply by the 5. Okay, so there if I multiply this one by 5, then there also we need to multiply by 5, then their equivalent fraction will be, now you see 3/5 ja, this one is fraction now. Okay, now if I multiply this one, then this will be 3/5 ja 15, and if I multiply 5/5 ja 25. Okay, if you multiply a number numerator by 5, then also you have to multiply numerator denominator also same number. Okay, so now this is the equivalent fraction of this 3/5. Okay, now here according to question we have to write what we need to write, equivalent ratios. Okay, so now here 3:15 written, so there what we will write, 15:25. Okay, so this is the first equivalent fraction of this 3:5. Here written 2 equivalent fractions. So next number will be, so same like that, 3/5 given, then you now as you wish, if you want to multiply it by 7, then 7 you multiply it, no problem. Okay, then denominator is the same number, you need to multiply it by 7, numerator here 7, then denominator is also same. Okay, now 3/7 ja what, 21, and 5/7 ja 35. Okay, so here this one is equivalent fraction, and here what have ratios, so this one will write in ratio form. Okay, 21:35. so these are the equivalent ratios of this 3:5. so here we will write thus. Okay, here we will write thus the equivalent ratios. Equivalent ratios are thus, the two equivalent ratios are what, 15:25 and 21:35. Why it is called equivalent? If now see there 15:25, here written 15/25. If you cut this one, then again we will get 3/5, that means 3:5. so that's why it is called an equivalent fraction. So rest number B and C, D, you do it by yourself. Okay, now we'll start the next question. Okay, so see the next question.